有小伙伴表示想看全流程，所以我这次用初音未来作为案例来告诉大家我是怎么从0到1完成这张图片的。时间有限，所以我用的是一个加速的模式，希望对大家做的又好又快有所帮助。
Elastic hours, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. My moment's forever, the next just a blink. In this elastic time, we sink or swim.